You want to become a power healer? Well, this is lesson number 4, using gratitude as a manifestation tool. My name is Jason Stepina, and I'm a healer and teacher with over 20 years of experience, here to make you a powerful healer. So, gratitude. When we use gratitude, when we sit down and really think about all the things that are important to our lives, all the things that we love, all the things that make us happy, the universe says, oh, you like that? Well, I'm going to turn up the dial for you. When we're pointing at all the things in our lives that we love and that make us happy and that give us joy, the universe just turns it up for us. When we're in resentment or I'm not getting my way, our energy goes down and doors close. When we say, these are the things that I love, these are the things that make me happy, our energy goes up and the doors open. Like today, I have money in my pocket and I have the sun shining and it's a beautiful day and I'm gonna go see a friend for lunch and I'm so grateful for all that. And now my energy is gonna go up and doors are gonna open and today is gonna be a beautiful day and it will be for you too.